Have you ever heard a powerful sermon or read a beautiful verse, but by Monday morning it's completely gone? You heard it with your ears, but it didn't change your life. Why? It's because the Word of God is like a seed, and your heart is the soil. If the soil isn't ready, the seed can't grow. Welcome to Day 4 of Faith Foundations. Today, we're looking at the heart's receptor, the place where hearing becomes believing. In the parable of the sower, Jesus explains that the seed is the word. But notice where the fruit happens. It's only in the good soil. When we say faith comes by hearing, we're talking about more than just sound waves hitting your eardrum. We are talking about the word traveling from the ear to the soul. This is the internal receptor. If our hearts are hardened by bitterness, worry, or pride, the word just bounces off. But when we soften our hearts, the ear gives sight. We stop just knowing about God and start trusting Him. Faith isn't an intellectual agreement. It's a heart-level surrender. Your Day 4 challenge is a soil check. Before you hear or read the word today, pray this simple one-sentence prayer. Lord, give me a soft heart to receive what my ears are about to hear. This act of humility opens your heart's receptor. It turns your soul into good soil, so that the word of Christ can actually take root and begin to grow into the faith you've been looking for. When the heart receives what the ear hears, your life begins to change. Thanks for joining me for Day 4. Tomorrow, we start looking at how that faith becomes a guide as we talk about small steps, big light. I'm Matthew Padiachi, and this is Faith by Hearing. I'll see you tomorrow.
It's not just about the sound anymore. It's about where the sound lands. Day 4. Let's check the ground. Have you ever heard a sermon, felt the power in the room? Read a verse that felt like flowers starting to bloom. But then Monday morning comes and the feeling's gone away, lost in the rush and the struggle of the day. You heard it with your ears, but it didn't change the soul, like a story halfway told that never reached the goal. It's the heart's receptor, the engine of the faith, moving past the eardrum, moving past the gates. The word is the seed, but the heart is the soil. Don't let the hardness make the promise spoil. When the heart receives what the ear finally hears, that's when the vision starts to wash away the fears. Jesus told the story of the sower in the field. Only in the ground is the power revealed. It's more than just a vibration hitting on the drum. It's the journey to the center where the miracles come. But bitterness and worry, they can make the surface tight, and the word just bounces off like a shadow in the night. It's not an agreement of the intellect or mind. It's a heart-level surrender, leaving self behind. Softness is the secret, humility's the key to turn the knowing into trusting and finally to see. The ear gives sight when the wall comes down. The King of Glory takes a seat and wears the crown. So here's the Day 4 challenge, a soil check for the soul. Give the Lord the pieces, let Him make you whole. Before you hear the message, pray the simple prayer. Lord, make me soft for the seed you're planting there. Open up the receptor, let the roots start to grow into the kind of faith that the world is gonna know. From the ear to the eye of understanding, lodged in the heart.